Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to know the size of your design in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Knowing the size of your design in Canva is important for ensuring it fits your intended use, whether it's print or digital platforms. Once you are logged into your account, hover to the project or existing design that you're working with. Now, I'm working with this specific design, and I'm planning to send it to my team members, or especially if you're working with multiple freelancers or your client asks you to send this image or design, you forgot the dimension of that. Now, for you to be able to know what size of the dimension of your project that you're working in here in Canva, it's really easy. All you're going to do is go to the file section. As you can see, you'd be able to check that this is a 1280 pixel by 720. All right, so that's one way. Now, another option is go to the resize button, but this feature is only available for the Canva Pro subscription. But the thing is, if you click this, you would notice that the Canva measurement will be shown here. And if you resize that to any design that you want to say, for example, social media to these measurements, you would be able to check the information such as like this one. Right now I'm using the YouTube thumbnail, 1280 pixel to 720 pixel. All right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.